Hey everyone, just a bit of added content. This is like an Adam Savage style video. I've been so excited. I've been using the Anycubic Photon Mono for a while. What an amazing printer. Two actually. And I find myself needing a bigger print. I'm out of breath because I just carried this thing. So I'm going to do a bit of an unboxing now. I'm excited. Let's get on with it. So all I've done is open the lid. It is straight off Amazon from the Anycubic store online, as it were. Decently packed, look at that, smart, very very nice. I suppose I ought to do something about that music in the background. One, because I'm talking over it, and two, I'm sure YouTube won't appreciate it. I'll probably get a copyright strike. Right, so this thing's heavy, over 15 kilograms it says, odd box, well packed, very very well packed, but we're going to have to leave room so that we're going to lift it, oh look it's beautiful, I'm going to lift it out, that's where to put it. Like the lid, as it is. That off there. Who cares what mess you make when new toys arrive, yes? Look at the size of that lid. It's humongous. Which is what we want. So, put that over there. I've got better stuff over there. Okay. Destruction manual. Use that for levelling, as you would on the smaller Anycubic Mono. Cover sheet, protection, more packaging. Oh. Pull that out. And there we have mega super duper size vat. Absolutely stunning. Look at the size of that thing. It's wonderful. We also have a super humongous print plate. Same as the Mono. But obviously a lot bigger. Power adapter. Oh, very important. We have to make me a cup of tea. The bags of goodies. Share with you in a sec. And get them all out. I think that's it. Yep. So, as we do with any of the Anycubic models, it's absolutely stunning. You get a scraper, masks, plastic scraper, gloves, USB drive for loading your files onto, and of course your instruction manuals on there, all part of your power supply. And an aerial, because this thing's got Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi! Okay, get rid of that. A bit of how big and heavy these things are. Well, let the rest of the packaging out there. Much lobbings, and now the main event. Up we go. Oh, this thing is heavy. There we go. Look at that. Over a 9-inch screen. It's beautiful. Oh, and heavy. Put that on there. Still really beautiful. Let's check there's nothing else in the bottom. Oh, some more packaging. Nope, just more packaging. Wow. Amazing. This is not the best angle for a video shot. However, now as I've said, I am a massive fan of the Anycubic brand. Now I'm not sponsored by them, I'm not that lucky, so I have to buy these things myself. Which is why you clicking the thumbs up on these videos, subscribing and leaving comments makes a massive difference to the channel. It doesn't as yet. As the subscribers climb, then that will change the algorithm for YouTube and they'll start to notice, and then that's when it makes a big difference. So we need to start, we need to go on. And I'm telling you, side by side comparison, I'll show you what we've got. Righty ho then, back up a little bit. This is the Anycubic Photon Mono. First one I have. Standard size, lovely bit. Sorry about the stock here. Side by side comparison, give you an idea, I've not finished it yet. However, if I come around here, look at the size of that thing. There's the wash and cure station at the back there. Look at the size of the print bed size. Humongous. Amazing. Right, let's get everything put together on this and we'll come back. Okay, once again I want to give you a size comparison. This is the resin vat for the Photon Mono. This is the resin vat for the Mono X. Gonna need a lot more resin, huh? This is metal, this is plastic, although it makes no difference. I love this anyway. As long as you're not silly with it, you won't break it. Okay, so unlike the Mono, the smaller Mono, where the bolts are attached to the sides here and you just slide the vat in and bolt those down, this comes with its own bolts. You just pop those in. But the resin vat, apparently, is self-locating with these studs here. Unfortunately, as many people have probably said, this particular vat has little feet here. So when you put it on the worked surface, it's not going to set on the FEP sheet, which is always a bonus. We'll just put that in there. It should self-locate. A bit like that. Super. Right then. It's all metal construction. It's very heavy. Again, not complaining. Love that. So let's try and pop the lid on. See if we've got room here. There you go. Okay. So now we'll push this back. He says to give you a real side-by-side comparison of the size difference. So there we are. There is your size comparison. What a beauty this is. I promise you I do not work for Anycubic. This is not a sponsored video, like I said. If only I was that lucky. However, you can help if you wish to help me with all this, especially with the rising cost of everything going on these days. It'll cost you nothing. All you have to do, click the like button, share it with your socials if you wish, subscribe to the channel, and that's it. That's you done, and that really helps me out.
The boss of P&O Ferries, Peter Hebblethwaite, insists that he won't reverse the decision to sack nearly 800 employees who they've replaced with agency workers. He says taking them
there you go.
Would mean the company would
a size comparison.
2,200 posts
Close up. I will move back a bit for you. There you go. There's the original Anycubic Mono. The wash and go station that goes with the Anycubic Mono. And of course the Anycubic Mono X. Wow. I think I've got room for the wash and cure for this baby. But there you go. Quick, straightforward view, unboxing and setup. And it must have taken me a good 10 or 12 minutes to get it set up. It's ready to go. So I have to sort some prints out and get it ready to go. So there you go. No fusses, no upgrades, no bitting and bobbing, straightforward, unbox, set it up, put it side by side. Hope that's helped you. It's given you a good idea of the size comparison. I can't wait to print on this. Bearing in mind, of course, all the usual precautions apply, and of course you're going to need a lot more resin, and it's supposed to print a lot quicker as well. So hopefully we'll get some bigger printer, not too much bigger print times. Till now, thanks for watching. Amazing kind of people you guys are. Really appreciate your support. Till next time, take care.